Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I style my braids with a head wrap, so stay tuned. The first style, you're going to start by placing the cloth at the back of your head, tie it at the front, then twist what's left at the front and wrap it in a bun. Wrapping these weren't that easy because of the material, so the styles were limited. If you are going to try any of these, I recommend a stretchy material. The second style, I started with a low ponytail to make this style somewhat easier, so you can as well. After that, you're going to place the cloth at the front of your head and make a tie at the back, then tuck in the remaining cloth. The third style is similar to the previous one. After tying it at the back, you're going to twist both pieces, bring them to the front and tuck them on opposite sides, then tuck in the remaining cloth at the back. The fourth style, you're going to start with a bun. Then you're going to place the cloth at the back of your head, hold the two pieces at the front but do not tie them. Tuck in any excess or loose piece that you're seeing. Then you're basically going to allow the two pieces to cross each other and bring them to the back, then wrap it back to the front and do the same thing. After bringing it back to the front, you're going to tie it and then tuck in the ends. The fifth style is similar to the previous one, you're just not going to cover the bun. All the wrapping will be below the bun, so try to ensure the cloth remains flat. The sixth style, you're going to start with a high ponytail and with the cloth at the back. Bring it to the front and allow the two pieces to cross each other and then tie it at the back. The seventh style, you're going to start with a high ponytail. Then you're going to do the same crisscross method at the front and tie it at the back. This is similar to the previous style, but this is centered and the other one is more to the left. The final style is basically the previous style with a bun. If you are going to try any of these styles, I recommend you buy a stretchy cloth. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.